you just simply wrap your whole line where you can finally reach it around those two anchor points. Okay, then from here you pull this middle line right here like so, creating a bite on the center, and on your standing end you can start by creating a loop. Okay, and pass that loop on there, going to your standing end again, creating a Marline spike hitch right here, and then this working end passes through there, going back. Okay, and once you start pulling here, then you already have created the Portuguese bowline. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly, because here we are demonstrating it on two different anchor points. One is a larger piece of tree and the other one is just a pole. And again, you can add a security knot if you'd like, but for camping applications it's not necessary. Okay, but you see the application already. Okay, you can use this if you want to tie two anchor points with just a single line.